Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the fifth puzzle of today's newspaper on Friday, June the 5th, 2020. In this additional, we have total of six extra Sudokus, and the fifth one is a binary puzzle. But what kind of binary puzzle is this? We will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row there's always 4 O's and a 4 ones. I have already filled this. So let's get started. Double O here, one then one. Double one here and O then O. Double O here and one and then one. Double one here and O and then O. Between two O's comes in one. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And then double one here and O then O. Double O here and one then one. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are ones in this row. Okay, between two O's comes in 1, between two O's comes in 1, between two ones comes in O. Then I cannot continue. 1, 2, 3. I cannot place a 1 here or 1 there, the fourth one. Otherwise we have 3 O's in a row in this column. So these should be an O. Double O, yeah. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one here, and O there, and O. Between two O's comes in 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Yeah, now I cannot continue. Now I need to compare, I think. 1, 2, no, 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. If I place the fourth O here, then we have 3 ones. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1. Here an O, there an O. 4 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Then if I place in this column the fourth O here, then we have 3 ones in a row. 3 ones in a row in this column. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1 here, an O, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Now I need to compare, I think. Now I need to compare. Can we compare? No. Can we? Yes. This column and that column. 1, 1, 1, 1. O, O. Empty box. 1, 1. O, 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 O. So it means these 2 digits, I need to switch them. Otherwise, if I fill here the O and the 1, then I have identical columns. So this should be a 1, and this should be an O. 4 O's now in this row, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then I need to compare again. Yes, 1001. I think I need to compare the columns. No. No. I need to compare with the row. The rows. We have here 11001100, empty box, 11. That means I need to switch these two numbers with a 1 and an O, so this should be an O and a 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Finished in 6 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we have one mighty Sudoku left, a tectonic. So I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku of today. Thank you and see you soon. Bye bye.